Welcome to Health Academy. Health Academy is a channel that shares tons of knowledge about all aspects of health, including wellness, beauty, diseases, food, and other related topics. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell because we upload multiple contents every single day. We also publish full online courses and advanced master classes in our channel for free. In this video, we will identify the top nutrients that you can get from your smoothies and how it will benefit you during your fitness program. So without further ado, let's jump right in. When you create a smoothie, you might think of it in terms of what fruits and what ingredients you want to put in. Arguably though, you might be missing out on the real point of your smoothie by looking at it in this way. Instead, why not think about your smoothie in terms of what it can do for you? And more specifically, in terms of what amazing nutrients you can get from it. This is really where the magic of the smoothie comes in, and it's how it delivers its amazing benefits for your energy, your immune system, and more. So what nutrients can you expect to get from a smoothie, and what are the best ones to hunt for? Let's take a look at just a few examples of amazing nutrients you can get from those fruits and vegetables. 1. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acid is found in avocados as well as nuts and is a very important nutrient for our brain health. This is because it helps to improve the cell membrane permeability of our brain cells. In short, this allows more things to pass through the walls of the neurons, and this in turn means they can communicate more quickly and effectively. Another benefit of omega-3 is that it can reduce inflammation. It does this by decreasing the amount of omega-6 which most of us have too much of. This can reduce brain fog, further enhancing omega-3's status as a brain food. Better yet, it can also help to reduce swelling and combat a lot of aches and pains. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is the one that everyone knows about, but do you really know just how much good it can do for you? Vitamin C is first and foremost a great tool for enhancing your immune system. That means fewer colds and flus and fewer illnesses in general. Vitamin C also helps to fight stress by increasing levels of serotonin. This makes things like apples and oranges a great pick-me-up and highly beneficial for improving sleep and even enhancing muscle growth. It's also an antioxidant, just like our next top nutrient for smoothies, resveratrol. 3. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a very powerful antioxidant, meaning that it can help to combat free radicals. This is seriously good news, because free radicals will otherwise roam around the body and damage cells, eventually leading to the signs of aging and even causing cancer. Resveratrol is among many nutrients in your smoothies that can help to serve this role, but it also has the ability to greatly enhance the function of mitochondria. This is important because mitochondria provide you with your energy and ATP. The more mitochondria you have, the more energetic and vibrant you feel. You can get this one from your red grapes. 4. Zinc. Zinc is an important mineral that boosts testosterone production, aids in neuroplasticity, helps us get to sleep, and even improves our sense of smell. These are just a few nutrients, and there are countless others out there that have just as many benefits. If you have any comments, suggestions, and reactions, let us know in the comment section below. We will be posting more videos about these topics and other contents related to health and wellness, so make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to help our channel grow. See you in our next videos.